Hello everyone. In this video we discuss set 4 of Jude the Obscure written by Thomas Hardy. We have already done 3 another sets in another videos. So let's start here. Question number 1 is, what does physician Wilbert sell to Arabella at the fair? So let's remember that this physician Wilbert is the same physician that ये same physician है जिसने जूड को 2 वीक फ्री एडवर्टीज़मेंट कराया था ये प्रपोज करके कि वो उसको ग्रामर बुक देगा लैटिन और ग्रीक की, और उसने नहीं दिया था। और बाद में फिजिशियन विल्बर्ट जो है, ही इज़ अ क्वैक डॉक्टर एंड ही कीप्स ऑन सेलिंग द साम मेडिसिन्स। तो क्वेश्चन इज़ कि वो अराबेला को फेयर में क्या बेचते हैं? तो द आंसर इज़ लव पोशन। ही सेल्स लव पोशन टू अराबेला। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज़, what is Little Father Time's formal name? Let's remind that this Little Father Time is the nickname of the son of Jude and Arabella. Arabella was the first wife of Jude. So Little Father Time was never given a name, formal name. So when he is sent, Little Father Time is sent to Sue and Jude, he is given the name, he is christened with the name Jude. So his formal name is Jude. Now let's come to the next question. Why does not Sue want to live in London? Sue जो है वो लंदन में क्यों नहीं रहना चाहती है? When Arabella comes in England along with her husband Cartlet, so Arabella and along with her husband goes to London in order to start a pub over there, start a bar over there. तो क्योंकि अराबेला ऑलरेडी वहाँ पर है तो स्यू जो है लंदन नहीं जाना चाहती। तो आंसर इज़ बिकॉज अराबेला इज़ देयर। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज़, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ एनिमल्स डज स्यू कीप एज पेट्स? कौन से एनिमल को रखती है वो एज पेट्स? तो द आंसर इज़ पीजन्स। अब इस पे एक फैक्ट याद रखिए कि व्हेन स्यू एंड जूड हैज़ टू लीव फ्रॉम द क्राइस्टमिंस्टर और व्हेन दे हैव टू ऑक्शन, क्योंकि लोग जो हैं उनको सोशली ऑस्ट्रिकेट कर रहे हैं, सोशली एक्सेप्ट नहीं कर रहे हैं, तो व्हेन शी हैज़ टू ऑक्शन ऑल हर गुड्स, उसको जब सारा अपना गुड्स ऑक्शन करना पड़ता है तो पीजन्स आर ऑल्सो ऑक्शनड और उसको एक बचर ले जाता है पाइस बनाने के लिए। तो स्यू जो है वो वापस उस शॉप पे जाती है अपने दोनों पीजन्स को, और पीजन्स नंबर ऑफ पीजन्स आर 2, अपने पीजन्स को खरीदती है और उसको फ्री कर देती है। तो व्हाट काइंड ऑफ एनिमल्स डज स्यू कीप एज पेट्स? सो देयर आर पीजन्स। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, what does Sue sell at fairs when the family starts to experience financial trouble? जब financial trouble आता है तो Sue जो है फेयर में क्या बेचती है? तो options are used books, baked goods, Robbins her services as a letter writer. So the answer is baked goods. वो baked goods बेचती है जो कि जूड बनाते हैं। Especially they sell cakes. They sell cakes and the name of the cakes is Christminster cakes. So they name the cake Christminster cakes. So she sell baked goods. Next question is, Arabella and Annie pick up a hitchhiker. Who is he? Arabella और Annie जो है जब जो जा रहे होते हैं तो वो एक हिचहाइकर को हिचहाइकर मीन्स जिसको वो लिफ्ट देते हैं, तो लिफ्ट लेते हैं। तो वो कौन है? तो वो जो है वो है मिस्टर फिलॉटसन। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, विथ whom does Arabella live after her husband dies? अपने हस्बैंड के मरने के बाद अराबेला किसके साथ रहती है? तो ये है एनी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, वाई डू स्यू एंड जूड हैव ट्रबल फाइंडिंग एन अपार्टमेंट व्हेन दे रिटर्न टू क्राइस्टमिंस्टर? तो जब वो क्राइस्टमिंस्टर वापस आते हैं तो उनको अपार्टमेंट क्यों नहीं मिलता? फर्स्ट दे आर नॉट मैरिड, दैट इज़ ऑल्सो अ रीज़न, बट अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट देर इज़ अ रीज़न दैट दे हैव children, and this is the reason when Sue has already Little Father Time and 2 children along with Jude, and the 3rd time she is pregnant, and this is the reason when she shares this with Little Father Time. He suicides himself after killing the two children. So it is, the answer is A. Next question is, when little Father Time first sees a university building in Christminster, what is his opinion about the building? What does he think they are? So answer is jail. This incident is significant because when little Father Times first sees the university, his opinion about the university is that they are jails. While earlier Jude was thinking that little Father Time, he has been unable to become a scholar, so it may be that his ambition will pass to his son and little Father Time will enter into the university. But little Father Times comment that the buildings of Christminster are like jails. It confirms that little Father Time is not going to fulfill his father's unfulfilled ambition. Now next, come to the next question. Next question is, whose comments seem most directly to inspire Time's murder suicide? So little Father Time जो suicide attempt करते हैं, when he does the suicide and he kills his two siblings too, step siblings too. So by whose comment he is inspired? Sue unwittingly or unknowingly shares his pain of raising the children with little Father Time, and she does not know what will be the impact of it. But because little Father Time is already a morose kind of child, so he later functions it to murder suicide. He murders the two children and suicide himself. So the question is, whose comments seem most directly to inspire Time's murder suicide? So it is Sue. Next question is, what does Sue rip in front of the widow Eldin? The answer is nightgown. Jude had written a nightgown in order to impress Jude, but later she rips it apart before widow Eldin. Widow Eldin even asks Jude not to do so, but she does not listen. Next question is, what does Sue believe about the death of her children? When all three children dies, she believes that it is a punishment for leaving phylloxera. It is the punishment for leaving religion and leaving phylloxera. So she believes that she should never have left phylloxera because she was married to him. It was actually the legal marriage. So what happens when under the societal pressure or of not conforming to the rules of the society, when her life becomes miserable, she had to find the resort in somewhere. उसको किसी न किसी चीज़ पे रिजॉर्ट ढूंढना है. तो जूड जो है बार बार किस पे रिजॉर्ट ढूंढता है? जूड जो है वो बार बार रिजॉर्ट जो है वो ढूंढता है अल्कोहल पे. बट स्यू जो है, she was always strong, but when she loses her children, she finds the resort in religion. She began to self-blame herself. So she believes that it is a punishment, her punishment for leaving religion and phylloxera. So the answer is A. Next question is, what does widow Eldin do to protest Sue's second wedding at phylloxera? वो widow Eldin जो है जब as a repentance स्यू जो है डिसाइड करती है कि वो वापस फिलॉक्सन से शादी कर लेगी. दो शी वॉज सेक्शुअली अबॉरेंट टुवर्ड्स हिम, शी डिड नॉट tolerate his presence, physical presence towards her. So at such a time when Sue is marrying again to phylloxera because she thinks that she was divinely punished for leaving phylloxera. So she is distraught in mind, and again she is not knowing actually what she is doing, and again she is repeating the mistake. So widow Eldin knows about it, she warns about it. So she becomes the same voice as her aunt Drusilla, who was warning against the marriages. So in order to protest, what does widow Eldin do? Widow Eldin does not attend the wedding. So answer is C. Next question is, which of these people congratulates Sue and phylloxera after wedding? कौन congratulate करते हैं? तो phylloxera के friend जिसका नाम है Gillingham. And the people think because of Arabella has rumored so that Sue was unhappy with Jude and she was repenting. So Gillingham thinks that after all everything has become good. She is repining and this is why she has come. Now next question number 15 is, what brightens Sue's mood after her second wedding to phylloxera? So when she gets the second marriage to phylloxera assures Sue that he has married Sue just for the society's sake, because he wanted to show the society, and that he will not engage her sexually or physically. So, and he promises her to give plenty of privacy. And when Sue is promised in this manner by phylloxera, her mood brightens. But this does not become the outcome, ultimate outcome. So the question is, what brightens Sue's mood after her second wedding to Phillotson? The answer is D, his promise to give her plenty of privacy. Next question is, what does Phillotson find out that Sue might want to return to him? कि Sue जो है उसको क्या return करना चाहे, how does Phillotson find out? Phillotson को कैसे पता चलता है that Sue might want to return to him? So it is informed to him by Arabella. And why does Arabella does so? Because once Sue is gone, she will have the chance to capture again Jude to himself. That she does by making him drink and trapping him again in the name of all honor, along with his intriguing along with her family. So next question is, how does Arabella get Jude marry her second time? The answer is, she gets him drunk. Next question is, which of these people express skepticism about Jude marrying Arabella? The answer is Tinker-Tailor. Next question is, what does Sue do for Phillotson to make up for seeing Jude one last time? When Sue sees Jude for the last time, they again passionately kiss one another, and in order to atone Sue sees this act as a mistake, and in order to atone her action, she goes and have sex with Phillotson. So the answer is, what does Sue do for Phillotson to make up for seeing Jude one last time? So she has sex with him. Next question is, under what condition does Arabella agree to send for Sue? The condition is that she will be there. They would not be together, that Jude and Sue won't be alone together. Next question is, who is Arabella romantically linked to the end of the novel? Arabella was given a love potion by physician Wilbert, and now she gets engaged to physician Wilbert at the end of the novel. So even when Jude is dying and Jude is dead, she goes to see the boat race, and at last she engages herself with physician Wilbert. Next question is, who attends Jude's funeral with widow Adeline? So it is Arabella. And Sue does not come to at her wedding, because she says that she will never see him. When does, next question 23 number is, when does Arabella think Sue will be at peace? The answer is, when she dies and joins Jude in heaven. Next question is question number 24. Which of these is true of Sue at the end of the novel? The answer is that she has lost all her vigor and all her youthful beauty. The answer is D. Next question is, during which Christminster holiday does Jude die? So it is a Remembrancer Day. Remembrancer Day is when the scholars and philosophers are given their degree, and there is a procession for it. So this is a time when Jude and Sue return to Christminster, and this is the day when Jude actually die. So the answer is B. So these are some of the important questions. Thank you.